What's up, guys? Back here with another video. Today I have the Innova Champion Beast. We're gonna give it a few throws, more than a few really, but if you look down range, there's that big cluster of oak trees, and there's a basket like right behind that cluster of oak trees. So we're gonna give this thing a throw. We're gonna see how it goes. You guys be the judge. The dimensions on this disc, or the specifications, are 10.5, -2, 2. So this disc, it's slightly overstable. This is actually the Barry Schultz edition. Probably flies exactly the same as all the other beasts in the Champion plastic, but here we go. You guys be the judge, man. Alright guys, we had to switch locations because there was a nasty left to right crosswind over there, and we weren't getting a really good kind of example of what this disc is going to do. So I wanted to kind of come across, the camera will show you, we kind of came out to a soccer field where we can throw from corner to corner, and we can get a better depiction of what the disc is going to do because of the way the wind is kind of manipulating everything. Alright, here we go. Stop it. Alright guys, those last two forehands were really good. Now I'm going to try and do the same forehand the opposite direction to see how it bites into the wind, because the wind is coming head on. So we're going to see how this performs when you forehand head on into a wind. To that middle net.
Got it.
Alright guys, I'm just going to throw like a chop roller, and we're going to go from one soccer field end to the other. And I want to see how it performs, see how far it goes. Get down, go, go!
Oh, you're so good.
Well, honestly guys, this is a really awesome forehand disc, even when you're going into the wind. Backhanding, I don't think I was getting enough speed on it. I just don't think I have the arm strength to make that disc turn over with the backhand. But with the forehand, there's a ton of spin and a ton of speed when you know how you whip it with that forehand, and it will turn over for a period of time, as you saw on those forehands. So the disc, the beast, is really good for forehands in my opinion. Like, it's awesome. Plenty of distance. It turns over, fades back. I don't know what you guys think, but I would totally recommend it. So I don't know, maybe you want to pick it up and play with it. I don't know, maybe many of you already have played with it, and I'm just confirming what you already know. But I mean, I threw it from way over there just right to here, and I wasn't even throwing it my hardest. I was trying to make it in that little soccer goal right there. So this is the Champion Beast. Thank you guys for watching. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, comments. Thank you so much.